In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Elementor WordPress. If you want to make your page feel more dynamic and visually engaging, adding a GIF is a quick and simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process step by step so you can find a GIF and place it into your page without any confusion. To begin, go to your site and open the editor where you want to add the GIF. Make sure you're on the page or template you want to work on before making any changes. This helps you insert the Giphy in the right location from the start and saves time later. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click the plus icon. This is where you can add new elements or blocks to your page. If you've used WordPress editing tools before, this area will feel familiar since it's the main place for inserting content. After that, use the search field and type GIF. Searching makes it much faster to find the exact element you need, especially if there are a lot of content options available in the editor. As you type, you should see matching results appear. When the GIF option shows up, click on it. This will add the GIF element to your editing area so you can start working with it. At this point, the widget or block is ready, and the next step is simply choosing the animation you want to display. Now, click into the search bar within the GIF tool and type a keyword. In this example, type love. The keyword you enter determines the GIF results you'll see, so you can use any word that matches the mood, topic, or style of your page. Choosing a clear search term usually gives better results and helps you find something relevant more quickly. Next, click search and then select the GIF you want to use. Once you choose it, the GIF will be inserted into your page. Take a moment to confirm it looks right in the layout and fits the surrounding content. A good tip here is to choose a GIF that supports your message instead of distracting from it, especially if the page is meant to look clean and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF in Elementor WordPress. It's a very simple feature, but it can add personality, movement, and visual interest to your page in just a few clicks.